Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. So in today's video we will understand how to create LiveAgent customer from Mailchimp subscriber. So here let's say that I'm using Mailchimp as an email marketing software. Here my objective is that whenever a new subscriber will be created in my Mailchimp account, then I want to create that subscriber as a customer in my LiveAgent account. So now to do this, I need to set up a connection between these two applications, for which I'm going to use this amazing automation software, that is Pabbly Connect. So if you want to learn more about this, follow me through the screen. In this video, we will understand how to create LiveAgent customer from Mailchimp subscriber. So here let's say that I'm using Mailchimp as an email marketing software. So to create new subscribers, I have created a form. So here I want that whenever a new subscriber will be created inside my Mailchimp account, then automatically that subscriber should be created as a customer in my LiveAgent account. So now to do this, I need to set up a connection between these two applications, for which I'm going to use this amazing automation software, that is Pabbly Connect. So now in order to begin with this automation, this here is the landing page of Pabbly Connect, and in order to reach here, you just have to type in pabbly.com/connect in your browser. Here you can see I've got two options. One is of sign in and the other one is of sign up for free. So if you are an existing user, you can simply sign in, but if you're a new user, you can click on the sign up for free button, and every month you will get 100 tasks for free. So as an existing user, I'm going to sign in. Now this here is the all applications page by Pabbly. Here I will go to Pabbly Connect and click on access now to reach my dashboard. So this here is my dashboard, and now in order to create a new workflow, I will go to my right hand side corner and click on this create workflow button. So now in this dialog box appearing, I need to give my workflow a name. So here I've named it as create LiveAgent customer from Mailchimp subscriber. So I want to save this workflow in the folder named as Mailchimp to LiveAgent automation, and now I'm going to click on create. So as I did that, now I have arrived on a very important window which consists of trigger and action. So basically, trigger and action are the two most important principles or concepts of Pabbly Connect on which this entire automation will depend. Trigger says when this happens, action says do this. So action is an automated response of your trigger application, and in a workflow, you can only have one trigger but multiple action applications. So now moving to my use case, that is create LiveAgent customer from Mailchimp subscriber. So to automate this process, I will go to my trigger window, and over here, I'm going to search for Mailchimp as my trigger application. Here it is. And the trigger event will be new subscriber. So this trigger will start working whenever a new subscriber will be added in my Mailchimp account. So now moving to the action window, as I want to create a new customer inside my LiveAgent account. So over here, I'm going to search for LiveAgent as my action application. And the action event will be to add new customer. So as you can see that I have selected my action application and the action event along with my trigger application and the trigger event. So now to complete this automation, firstly I need to set up a connection between Mailchimp and Pabbly Connect. So to do that, here a webhook URL is given, and along with that a help desk is given. So read this help desk given below carefully, because this webhook URL is going to act as a bridge to connect your Mailchimp account with Pabbly Connect. So this over here is my Mailchimp account, and now I will go to audience, and over here in audience I will go to my right hand side corner and go to this manage audience drop down. So over here I will go to settings, and here in settings I will scroll down and go to webhooks. So over here under webhooks, these are the existing webhooks that I have created before. So I'm going to create a new webhook for new subscriber created. So over here in the callback URL field, I'm going to copy the webhook URL from Pabbly Connect, and over here I'm going to paste it. So what type of update should we send? So I only want the updates for subscribes. So over here I'm going to select that. So as per the instructions given, I'm going to select all of these three options below, and I'm going to click on save. So here you can see that a new webhook has been successfully added inside Mailchimp. That means now whenever a new subscriber will be created inside my Mailchimp account, then automatically the details of that subscriber will be sent to Pabbly Connect. So here in Pabbly Connect as well, you can see that we have received a test response. So we are going to recapture the webhook response, and now we are going to create a subscriber. So here you can see it says waiting for webhook response. That means now I need to do a test submission or record so that the data can be recorded here in the webhook response. So I'm going to create a subscriber by filling out this form. So here let's say that the first name is latest and the last name is customer. Moving to the email address, that is latestcustomer@pabblytudes.com. Moving to the phone number, so over here this is the dummy phone number that I'm adding. So now moving to the gender, so I'm going to select the gender as F. So F stands for female and M stands for male. So now I'm going to click on subscribe. So now I need to confirm humanity. I'm going to click on I'm not a robot and click on subscribe. So over here it says your subscription to our list has been confirmed. Thank you for subscribing. So that means a new subscriber has been successfully created inside my Mailchimp account. So I'm going to take it to my Mailchimp account, and over here I will go to the Add Contacts option. And over here you can see that under Manage Audience, there is this new subscriber that has been created just now. You can see the email address, first name, last name, mobile number, and this over here is the gender, and it says subscribed. That means a new subscriber has been successfully created inside my Mailchimp account, and the details of this subscriber would have been captured over here in Pabbly Connect. So yes, just now we have received the details. So here you can see the type as subscribe, you can see the data web ID, and over here you can see the phone number. Here's the last name, gender, first name, along with the email address and some other details. So that means over here in Pabbly Connect, I've successfully got the new subscriber details. So that means the first step of this automation is set up. Now, whenever a new subscriber will be created inside Mailchimp, then automatically the details of that subscriber will be captured over here in Pabbly Connect. So this trigger will instantly capture the new incoming data, and the workflow execution will start in real time. So as over here in Pabbly Connect, I have got the new subscriber details. So now by using those details, I'm going to add a new customer inside my LiveAgent account. So to do that, I'm going to click on Connect. And now I'm going to add a new connection. So here to add a new connection, I need to mention the API key and the domain name. So for this, I'm going to take you to my LiveAgent account. And over here, I will go to Settings. And over here under Settings, I will go to System. So here under System, I will go to API. And now I will go to my right hand side settings for API v1. So this here is the API key. So I'm just going to copy the API key and I'm going to paste it over here. Now for the domain name, so this here is the domain name that is given in the URL. So I'm just going to copy it. So this here is the domain name. I've copied it and now I'm going to paste it and click on save. So here you can see that LiveAgent and Pabbly Connect is successfully connected. So now to fill in the details in these fields, I'm going to use a method that is called as mapping. So basically mapping means to insert the data from previous steps. So as I've received the response from Mailchimp, so that is why over here in this field, we are going to map the details. So for the gender, I'm going to click on this map button. I'm going to remove this, and from the response received, I'm going to map the gender. Once that is done, now I'm going to map the email. So this over here is the email moving to the phone number. This here is the phone number and I have mapped it. So as you can see that in these fields, I have mapped the details. So this method of mapping is important so that every time you're going to receive a new response, so that response could be taken into consideration in these fields. If I would have written this information manually, in that case, this information could have become static, which means that it wouldn't change even if you would have received a new response. So as I've mapped the details, here I'm going to click on Save and Send Test Request. And over here, you can see that I have received the response, and this over here is a positive response. That means a customer has been successfully created inside my LiveAgent account. So now I'm going to take it to my LiveAgent account, and over here I will go to the customers. So over here you can see that a new customer has been created right now, and over here's the date. Here you can see the first name, last name, email address. So I'm going to show you the phone number detail as well. This here's the phone number detail, and over here's the gender detail. So that means a customer has been successfully created inside my LiveAgent account when a subscriber was created in my Mailchimp account. So this automation was a successful one. Now, whenever a new subscriber will be created inside my Mailchimp account, then automatically that subscriber will be added as a new customer inside my LiveAgent account. So if you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.
Not just these applications, you can integrate a lot more applications and create amazing automations by using Pabbly Connect. So you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can write us to https://forum.pabbly.com, and for pricing related issues, you can visit this link. So you can create a lot more automations by using Pabbly Connect, and don't forget to share these videos with your friends, colleagues. Subscribe to our channel for more.